The Jamaica Constabulary Force received a boost today with the addition of nearly 200 members of its ranks. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says it's part of the government's plan to expand the capabilities of the force. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
The government is committed to investment in our security force and in particular in the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Yet another passing out parade at the National Police College. On Friday, more than 200 men and women graduated to provide much-needed additional boots on the ground for the JCF. But as gangs continue to wreak havoc in several communities across the island, a charge to the new members from the National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang.
As we confront the changing social and economic landscape in Jamaica, some of the most pressing issues we face include the pervasive influence of criminal gangs, interpersonal violence, and the proliferation of advanced fee fraud, which is called scamming. They are threatening the very fabric of our society.
There's a view that tackling crime will require more than just boots on the ground. The minister insists the government has invested heavily in national security and the country will see more results soon.
Major technological upgrades and digitization of the force are ongoing through the security strengthening project and the development of the technology branch within the JCF. You would have already seen the digitized traffic ticketing system in operation. We will continue to expand the system by acquiring additional handheld devices and printers. This is merely the visible impact of our digitization program. The police stations are being equipped with computers, and the big books that would maybe strain some of the young ladies' hands will go elsewhere.
But while those changes are being made, there are also plans to improve the force's investigative capacity. But how?
Today, the officer corps stands at less than 4% of the force. The objective that as we recruit, and have been recruiting aggressively and actively, and welcome you as one of that batch, and we approach the establishment level of 14,000, and with a view to moving to 18,000 rapidly, we'll also increase the cadre of officer corps.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.